Welcome to class, and let us look at this plane geometry question, okay? And take note, this diagram is not drawn to scale. Now here we have an angle of 55 degrees, here 25 degrees, and this point is 5x. And by the diagram, this side and this side are equal. Now, which makes this triangle from here down to here to here and to here an isosceles triangle. What's an isosceles triangle? An isosceles triangle is a triangle whereby two sides are equal. So 2 out of the 3 sides are equal. Okay, and we are told to find x. So how do we go about it? Now, first of all, we know that sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So for us to find 5x, now we have an option. Since this is an external angle, okay, we will need to find this angle. And since this is a triangle, an isosceles triangle, it implies that this base, this is the base angle, and this base here should be the same. Now that is by this rule. If this is equal to this point and this angle rather, their base angle must be equal. So it implies that for us to get this, then, which is an external angle compared to these two opposite interior angle, and there is a rule that says an external angle, okay, of a triangle is equal to the two opposite interior angle. And what does that imply? It implies that, let's assume this is A. So for us to have A here, it means the external angle A is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. So which gives us here 80 degrees. Now if here is 80, then here will definitely be 80 because they are base angle of an isosceles triangle. So here becomes 80 and here becomes 80. Now we know that sum of angle on a straight line also must give us 180. And considering this line, you get to see that 5x and 80 are on the same straight line. So which makes it what? That the sum of these two should give us what? 180. Okay, so here we have 5x then plus 80 should give us what? 180. Subtracting 80 from both sides, that is by isolating 5x, we have 5x then equals 100. Okay, so at this point we just need to divide both sides by the numerical coefficient of x, which is 5. So this clears up this. 5 here 1, 5 here is 20. So x equals 20 degrees. Please don't fail to share this video with other learners. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.